Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. With whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. So, we are dealing now with lesson number 4, earnings based on commission or piecework. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define commission and piecework. Letter B. Distinguish between straight commission and salary plus commission. Letter C. Compute earnings based on commission rate and total sales. Letter D. Compute earnings based on the number of items produced in a piecework arrangement. Letter E. Solve real-life problems involving commission and piecework payments. In the world of work, not all employees earn a fixed salary or an hourly wage. Some people are paid based on how much they sell, how much work they produce, or how many items they make. These types of payments are known as commission and piecework earnings. Number 1, commission. A commission is a payment to an employee based on a percentage of sales they make. This is common in jobs like real estate agents, sales representatives, insurance agents, and car dealers. Types of commission. We have straight commission, wherein the employee earns only a percentage of the sales made. Example, 5% of all sales. The second one is the salary plus commission. The employee earns a fixed salary plus a percentage of their sales. Example, 10,000 per month plus 3% of sales. Formula for commission. Commission is equals to total sales times commission rate. Formula for total earnings is straight commission. Total earnings is equal to commission. Formula for total earnings, salary plus commission. Total earnings is equal to the fixed salary plus commission. Piecework. Definition. Piecework is a payment method where a worker is paid for each unit of product they make or complete. This is common in manufacturing, tailoring, and assembly line jobs. Formula for piecework earnings. Total earnings is equal to number of units produced times the rate per unit. Note, in some cases, workers may also receive bonuses for exceeding certain production targets. Commission advantages. Encourage higher productivity. Potential for higher income if sales are high. Disadvantages: unstable income if sales are low. High pressure to sell. Piecework advantages: workers are rewarded for how much they produce. They can motivate faster and more efficient work. Disadvantages: no pay if no work is done. May lead to rushing and lower product quality. Sample computations. Example commission. A salesperson earns a 6% commission if they sold 250,000 worth of products in 1 month. The commission will be 250,000 times 0.06 equal to 15,000. So the total earnings, the straight commission is 15,000. Example number 2, salary plus commission. A real estate agent earns a 20,000 fixed salary plus 3% of total sales. In 1 month, the agent sold 1 million worth of properties. Commission, 1 million times 0.03, so equal to 30,000. The total earnings will be 20,000 plus 30,000 equivalent to 50,000. Example number 3 for piecework. A factory worker is paid 50 pesos for each shirt sewn. If the factory worker makes 300 shirts in 1 month, the total earnings is equal to 300 times 50 pesos, and that is equivalent to 15,000 pesos. Commission is payment based on percentage of sales. Piecework is payment based on the number of items produced. Both methods reward productivity, but income can be unstable if sales or production are low. Formulas help in determining total earnings in this arrangement. Understanding these systems is useful for future jobs, especially in sales, manufacturing, and freelance work. Formulas for commission, definition, payment based on percentage of sales made. So the straight commission is equal to total sales times commission rate. And total earnings is equal to the commission. Salary plus commission. Commission is equal to total sales times commission rate. And the total earnings is equal to the fixed salary plus commission. Letter B, piecework. Definition: payment based on the number of units or pieces produced. Number 1, regular piecework pay. Total earnings is equal to the number of units produced times rate per unit. And then piecework with bonus if target exceeded. Total earnings is equal to the number of units times rate per unit plus bonus. Helpful notes. Commission rate is usually given as percentage in terms of percent. Convert it to decimal form before multiplying. Example, 6% is equal to 0.06. For piecework, ensure the rate per unit is clearly stated. Bonuses or incentives are added after computing the main earnings. If deduction apply, like taxes or contributions, subtract them from the total earnings to find the net. Practice problems. Number 1. Anna sells beauty products and earns a straight commission of 8%. If she sells 45,000 worth of products in a month, how much is her commission? Given commission rate 8%, sales 45,000 pesos. Required commission. So solution, commission is equal to the sales times the rate. And then commission is equal to 45,000 times 0.08. The commission then is equivalent to 3,600 pesos. Number 2. Mark is a car salesman with a fixed monthly salary of 12,000 plus a 5% commission on total sales. If his sales for the month reach 350,000 pesos, find his total earnings. Given base salary 12,000, commission rate 5,000, sales 350,000 pesos. Required total earnings. So solution, commission will be 350,000 times 0.05, and that's equivalent to 17,500. The total earnings will be the basic salary plus commission. So the total earnings will be 12,000 plus 17,500, and the final answer is 29,500. Number 3. A real estate agent earns a commission rate of 3% on all sales. If she sells two houses worth 2,500,000 in each in 1 month, find her commission. Given commission rate 3%, price per house 2,500,000 pesos, number of houses 2, required commission. Solution, the total sales is equal to 2,500,000 times 2, and that is equivalent to 5 million. So the commission will be 5 million times 0.03 is equivalent to 150,000 pesos. Number 4. Daniel works for a clothing store that pays a 4% commission on sales above 50,000 pesos. If he sells 80,000 worth of clothes, how much is his commission? Commission rate, you have 4%, sales 80,000. Commission applies to sales above 50,000. So required commission. Solution, the excess sales is 80,000 minus 50,000, so you have 30,000 pesos. So the commission will be 30,000 times 0.04 is equal to the final 1,200 pesos. Number 5. Jenny earns a base pay of 10,000 per month plus 6% commission on sales. If she sold 120,000 worth of appliances, find her total pay. So base pay is 10,000, commission rate is 6%, sales 120%. So required the total pay. So solution, commission is equal to 120,000 times 0.06, that is 7,200. The total pay is equal to 10,000 plus 7,200, and that is equivalent to 17,200. So we will continue our discussion of lesson 4 in the next part.